Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a young man named Arjun. Arjun was thoughtful but anxious. Every time he felt anger, jealousy, or frustration, he feared he was creating a bad karma. One day, he went to the village elder, a wise man named Meera. He asked her, "Elder Meera, I feel angry sometimes. Does this make me a bad person? Am I creating bad karma?" Meera smiled gently and said, "Arjuna, thoughts alone do not create karma. Karma is born from actions, not ideas floating in your mind." Arjun was confused. "So, my anger isn't bad? It's a natural," Meera replied. "Thoughts are like sparks. They exist in your mind. They only turn into fire if you act on them." Curious Arjun asked, "Then what should I do with these sparks?" "Observe them," Meera said. "Notice them, but don't let them control you. You are free to think, but responsible for what you do." Arjun decided to test this. The next day, he felt jealousy when his friend received praise. Normally, he would complain and spread remorse, but this time he paused. He noticed the jealousy, acknowledged it, and chose to congratulate his friend instead. He felt lighter that evening. He realized that although the thought of jealousy excited, it hadn't harmed anyone. No bad karma was created. Days turned into weeks, and Arjun practiced this every day. Sometimes he felt anger, sometimes he felt fear. He let them pass, and slowly he noticed his actions changing. He became kinder, calmer, and more thoughtful. Mira words in his mind. Thoughts are seed. Arjun karma is the harvest. Only actions plant and grow it. Arjun understood that his mind was a laboratory. Thoughts were experiment, but only his actions shaped the world. Over time, he became free not from thoughts but from fear of them. He acted concisely, spoke mindful, and lived peacefully. And the village noticed Arjun's calm and wisdom inspired others people being to understand the truth. Thoughts are private, harmless, and fleeting, but actions are real, powerful, and create karma. So remember, just like Arjun, learn you are free to think anything, but you are responsible for what you do. Karma lives in action, not thoughts. So your mind is safe, but your choice shapes your world. Thank you so much for listening.